Before we start this video, thanks everybody for the 1,000 subscribers. Country Fender back here is one of them. He's also the welder in the shop, but stay tuned guys, we're working on the budget build Duramax. Thank you again for 1,000 subscribers and stay tuned for some cool content.
Think of what you're gonna buy me.
Ho ho ho, welcome to the Nasty Show. Today we're cutting out the rockers on the budget build Duramax. Got Ryan working away, slaving away. He clocked in this morning, bright and early. You like that?
Yeah, that's a good one.
But we got the driver's side cut out and we started cutting out the cab corner. We're not replacing the inners because it's fine.
No,
it's not really.
I'm not doing that.
It's not really fine, but we're not doing the inners. But the driver's side rocker is looking real nice up here on the truck. We just want to fit it up and basically so we don't cut anything that we don't need to cut out of the truck because that would suck. But we'll give you some updates. We haven't started the passenger side yet. And the cab corner, we're debating how far to go up with it because there is this big dent right here. So just stay tuned and we'll show you what's up. So to put the new rocker on, we have to drill holes in this piece right here where it meets up to the old factory, basically body line where the door seal goes. And that's going to be spot welded to the old stuff. So the new rocker will get basically, I'll show you right here. So this is the new rocker. It's kind of hard to tell, but it's black. And then the old body line right here will be left like this, but ground down. The new rocker will have holes drilled in it, and then that'll be welded onto this piece where the door seal sits. And then this is going to be ground down to weld like flush. And then same with right here. We do have to drill holes right here on this side. You're not going to see any of that. And then the cab corner covers all of this. This is just sit on here just to kind of see what it looks like. But shout out to the Nasty Nate knife to open the Milwaukee drill bits. One thing good about working at Jesse's shop, he's pretty much got every tool you need if you can find it. But
You can find it.
yeah.
That's a good one.
But let me get these drilled out and we'll see if this fits up there, and might have to tweak a little bit, but see what happens. So what, we literally have like, you think an hour in this so far? Yeah, I'd estimate like an hour in this. So we already got the new rocker fitted up. This fits together like really well for the old one coming off like it did, and then this one going on. All these are drilled out. Like I was saying, he'll be able to weld in here, and then that'll probably be enough. And then this one fits all right. Up here fits really well. So this is gonna look really good compared to what it was. And then the cab corner, of course, will be after this, but the cab corner goes over this part of the rocker, so the rocker has to be done first. But we'll keep you updated. Yeah, that's how you gotta weld it like that.
That's a good gap though. But
That's fine. There's also like foam in there we might want to take out. It's like right behind that. Might want to take that out before we weld it.
probably.
It'll probably catch on fire. Firing up the welder of NASCAR. This thing better well be good. Let's see. So the new rocker's completely welded in. Honestly, meets up to the body panels like pretty damn near perfect. Some grinding to do on this. It's kind of hard to tell, but that'll be easy. Right now we're about to cut out the not the rocker, cab corner. Have all the spot welds drilled out on the back under the seam sealer. That's a pain in the ass to get off, but he's gonna start cutting it out and we'll be able to do the cab corner. Oh yeah. Oh, that's nice. All right, so we got, oh God, this is really hard to see. All right, the cab corner is like pretty much fitting the best it's going to fit on this. There's like, if there's not a weird shadow, there's like a weird gap right here, and then on this side, the corner is like way more defined on the cab corner than it is on the truck. So we're gonna have to deal with that after we get it on, because if we try to mess with it now, it's just gonna bend the rest of the corner. But we're gonna drill for the spot welds and then grind everything smooth so we can weld it, and then we'll mess with the fitment a little bit more. But it's really close. It's gonna look good on the front side, which is where it matters. So
Yeehaw!
all right, the new cab corner is welded on. You can see right here is the weld line, and then on the back there are some spot welds where we drilled the holes. On this side, let me come over here. On this side, it looks, ooh, we got the light. It didn't meet up really well, so we kind of like tried to fill it with weld, but we'll grind that down. It'll look fine, I think. And then same with the spot welds right here, but I think it fit really well, and we're gonna get it grinding. So I don't want to bore you guys with this video, so I'm gonna hit it with a grind edit right here. Check it out. Well, make sure you subscribe to Nasty Nate. Stay tuned for the budget build Duramax. Next video should be we should be painting the rockers and cab corners. So hit the subscribe button. And if you're new to the channel, check out what we got going on a different LBZ truck here pretty soon. Oh yeah, put in the comments down below what kind of wheels you want to see on this truck, because we're looking for wheels right now, and I want to see some suggestions down there. So put them in the comments what you guys want to see.
24x14 forces.
I mean, that'd be nasty if we find some. They might go on the Duramax.
I think it's leaking cool.
No, it ain't leaking nothing. Make sure you subscribe to Nasty Nate. We'll see you in the next one, guys. How much Bondo you think we're gonna use?
Oh, dude, I got a gallon right here. I'm ready.
You use it all?
Ready to go.
Just we didn't even need the rocker. Just Bondo it up.